Now, is that a double tour or a single, or what are we doing there?
Michelle?
Yeah.
I gotta go.
Go ahead, Nora. I'll cover for you.
Thank you.
Chloe asking me to leave early is a given. I know that she has to go to work and stuff, but right now is a crucial time, but I understand. First count of 8 that you guys have to?
Sure, that.
5, 6, 7. Chloe? Where are you going?
I gotta go. I have somewhere to be.
Chloe, we have to choreograph 2 routines. You can't really be leaving right now. We're so close to regionals right now, and here Chloe is still pulling the same old stuff. I mean, I just can't believe it.
I know I just have a previous
Chloe,
commitment.
this is really going to affect the team. I mean, it's regionals. It's what we've been preparing all year for.
Emily calling out Chloe is kind of nerve-wracking for me and Chloe. Actually, I let her go.
What?
Yep, I said she can go. She has to go somewhere.
All right.
Don't worry about it.
When I find out that Michelle let Chloe go, I'm flabbergasted. I mean, we're supposed to be co-captains, and she didn't even let me know.
So, first count of 8.
Michelle?
Keep going. Yeah.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Yep.
Can you guys just keep rehearsing? For people who are still here, we have a lot of work to do, okay? Boys, let's go, okay? What was that?
I let Chloe go. She has to go somewhere.
Michelle, you can't just let dancers go like that. We have 2 routines to choreograph.
I know.
We're co-captains. You didn't consult me. You didn't tell me if something is going on. I deserve to know.
I can't tell anyone what's going on with Chloe.
I don't feel comfortable humiliating one of my dancers because I don't know what's going on with her.
I can't say anything.
You can't say anything?
Yeah?
What about showing me?
You have to promise me that you won't tell one soul.
I won't. I promise.